Hello, and welcome to Classroom Media Assistant's Digital Media Equipment Training Clip. We are located in the library, lower level, room 4. You can also contact us at 874-4278. To open the digital media equipment, you need to acquire a key which is distributed by Classroom Media Assistants. Now, let's unlock the equipment. The switcher has everything you need to use the system. There are 4 different input buttons for the media available to you: video, VGA, HDMI, and Blu-ray DVD. The power button is located in the top right, and the light above it should be turned on when you first open the box. This means the system is off. The knob on the right of this panel controls volume. The intensity of the light reflects the sound's volume. Also on this panel is the Blu-ray DVD's controls. This acts the same way a remote control would. There is a menu button, play, stop, pause, skip back, rewind, fast forward, and skip ahead. Also, there are directional buttons, up, down, left, and right, and a center circle that acts as enter select on the menu.
Ow!
Do not touch this panel. It is for tech use only. Next is the Blu-ray DVD player. The only buttons accessible on the player are the power button located here and the open tray button located here. Next is the drawer that houses the cables required for use of this equipment. These cables include a VGA cable and an HDMI cable. The next panel has the video input, VGA input, and HDMI input. The last panel has a power plug input. Please do not touch any of the other functions on this panel, especially the power switch located all the way to the right. This controls the entire system, and turning it off from here can cause damage to the equipment. Instead, use the power button on the first panel we described. There is also a pull-out laptop desk. The system is powered on automatically when you select a source. You do not need to turn anything on except your laptop, external video source, or the DVD player. As you wait for the system to warm up, pull down the projector screen. As you can see, there is no blue screen that indicates the system is on. Unless the HDMI input is selected, there will be no projection on startup. Projection starts when a media source is plugged in and selected on the switcher. Once you select the HDMI input, you will see a blue screen as seen here. Let's connect a laptop. You'll need either the HDMI or the VGA and audio cable, which is located in the drawer. For the purpose of this video, we will use the VGA and audio cable. You may set your laptop down on the pull-out tray. If you are connecting a Mac, you will need a Mac adapter, which is available to check out at Classroom Media Assistants. If your laptop cannot be supported by this tray, the nearest table will be close enough for the cables to reach the laptop and the equipment. This is the VGA cable. Make sure your laptop is not in the way of the input panel. If it is, move your laptop accordingly. Connect it to the input panel and insert the audio cable into the headphone jack. Connect the VGA and audio cable to your laptop. Now, press the VGA command on the switcher. As you can see, your laptop screen will be displayed on the projector screen. If your image is not showing, try Function, the FN key, plus F4 or F8 depending on your laptop. Now, let's play a DVD. Press the power button to turn the Blu-ray DVD player on. It will display the word Welcome followed by Home. Press the Blu-ray input button on the switcher. A red light will turn on above the Blu-ray button, indicating that this is your selected source. Press the eject button and place the Blu-ray or DVD in the tray. The screen will now say Open. press the eject button again to close the tray. The screen will now flash the word Load. Your DVD or Blu-ray will begin to automatically play. As you can see, the DVD is now playing. Remember, the controls for the Blu-ray player are located on the switcher, as is the volume control. That is how you use the digital media equipment. Now it is time to turn it off properly. Unplug all cables and return them to the designated drawer. Press the System Off button on the switcher. It may take a few seconds for the light to appear, but once it does, the system and all the inputs are off. Please do not touch the System Off button again for at least 2 minutes, as it may damage the equipment. Remember to lock the digital media equipment before leaving the classroom. If you run into any problems operating the system, please contact Classroom Media Assistance at 874-4278. Thank you for watching this training clip. Please visit www.uri.edu/CMA for more information.